In today's video, I'm going to teach you, will AI replace insurance agents in the future? Bars Insurance Agent Success Guide News. Let's take a clear and practical look at how artificial intelligence is changing the insurance industry and what that really means for insurance agents going forward. AI is already having a major impact, especially in areas where speed, automation, and data analysis are important. One of the biggest changes is faster customer service. Many insurance companies now use AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to answer common questions, provide quotes, and help with simple policy updates. This gives customers access to support around the clock and can reduce the long wait times that often come with traditional service channels. For routine requests, that kind of efficiency is a real advantage. AI is also helping with quicker claims processing. By analyzing photos, documents, and submitted claim information, AI can help insurers move through straightforward claims much faster. In many situations, that leads to quicker decisions and faster payments, which improves the customer experience and helps companies operate more efficiently. Another important area is fraud detection. Insurance providers use AI to identify unusual patterns in claims and flag activity that may suggest fraud. This helps companies reduce false or dishonest claims, which can also help control overall insurance costs. AI is also making insurance quotes more personalized. By reviewing multiple data points, AI can generate recommendations and pricing that better reflect a customer's specific needs and risk profile. That means more tailored coverage options instead of a one-size-fits-all approach. Even with all of that progress, insurance agents still matter a great deal. AI can handle repetitive tasks, but human judgment, empathy, and communication remain essential. Agents provide personalized advice, helping people understand their options and choose coverage that fits their real-life situation. That becomes especially important when insurance needs are more complex, such as business coverage, high-value property, or long-term life insurance planning. Relationships also continue to matter. Many customers still want to speak with someone they trust, especially when making major financial decisions. And when claims become complicated, agents can step in to explain the process, answer questions, and provide support. For agents who want to stay competitive, the focus should be on strengthening communication and customer service, building long-term client relationships, staying current on products and regulations, learning to use AI tools effectively, and developing expertise in specialized insurance markets. The future of insurance careers is not necessarily about replacement. It's more about transformation. AI is expected to change how agents work by automating routine tasks and freeing up more time for consulting, educating clients, and solving complex problems. Agents who embrace technology while continuing to grow their professional skills are likely to remain highly valuable in the evolving insurance industry.